Meaning of deep structure.
Deep structure.
Deep structure.
Deep structure.
Deep structure. In linguistic theory, deep structure refers to the underlying structure or meaning of a sentence, as opposed to its surface structure or literal interpretation. This concept was introduced by Noam Chomsky in the 1960s as part of his work on transformational grammar. Deep structure is thought to represent the core meaning of a sentence, which can be transformed or modified into different surface structures without changing its underlying meaning. Understanding deep structure is crucial for analyzing language and developing effective communication strategies.